Do your best, guys.
Hey! Hello! So this is Ricky Bobby on the left, and this is Junior Domingo on the right. He's in the sun. Makes us there. Come up here. Hi guys! Hi guys! Here's Ricky. Ricky! Ricky! You can see his profile. Let's look at that profile. There's Junior Domingo. You can see that Junior Domingo, his pattern is starting to fill out even if it's not as defined as Ricky's. Alright, let's see your muzzles. Oh, now Ricky's on the right. Look at that muzzle. Oh, you're against the background. There. Let's see your muzzle. And here's Ricky, show your pattern. Ricky, you just keep showing the front of your face. Do you want to pick them up and stretch him so we can see his pattern? Oh, that's Ricky Bobby.
Oh, side.
Okay.
This guy.
Yeah. And he has a little bit of a better coat. Look! Oh, there, now you can see his beautiful face. Let's do your shot. There! Oh, there's a nice scoop to the profile. Oh, I hope you saw it. Ricky, let's see your profile again.